Hello, fellas.
Check the mic and
So
make
what
sure
I'm
it
trying
sound
to do
right, boys.
this morning is that I have bought a new CCTV system, 8-channel CCTV system. Right now you can see just 4 of them. If I change this to view, something like this. Anyways, it's an 8-channel CCTV system that has a base unit, and I want to put that inside of my, like, this overhead platform of the door, so that this doesn't come in the way, doesn't look that bad. And this is the joystick for controlling the other camera. The problem is that
It
those
sound right, boys.
bars are welded and I have to use an angle grinder to cut one piece of this iron bar out. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward.
Okay, fellas, so I have this battery of my wireless angle grinder. Let me try to pick this up. The lock nut. Press this down. Rotating. And then you have this key. Lock.
It sound right, boys.
Let's get started. Like I said, I need to put
It
this
sound right,
base
boy.
unit on the platform of the door, and I think I will cut this and this out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So you see that there's no way this can go in. Either this way, not that way. I'm gonna cut this out. Hold on for a while. Always wear safety goggles. Your eyes are very precious.
It sound right, boys.
So one side of this piece is cut. Now I'm going to cut the other side as well. I'm almost halfway on this side as well.
It sound right, boys.
Okay, so we are done. good. Let's call it a day. Thumbs up, guys.
It sound right, boy.